This question 3 is also related to specific heat capacity, and it's very much similar to the question number 2 which we have solved in the last video, but there are some differences. If you will read the question carefully, you will notice that the units are different. But let me read the question first. How much heat is required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water by 10 degrees Celsius? Given that the specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joule per gram degree Celsius. Now I hope you have noticed that there is the change in unit of specific heat capacity. Earlier it was 4184 or 86, I don't remember exactly, joule per kg degree Celsius. Now it's 4.18 joule per gram degree Celsius. So when you are solving the questions related to specific heat capacity, you have to be careful with the units. And now let's solve the question. And let me show you first where you can do the mistake while solving the question. So we know that delta Q, which is required to raise the temperature, can be given by the formula ms delta T. And let's say I'm very excited and I want to solve this question in one go. So I will write delta Q is equal to 1 into S is given to us 4.18 into 10, and the answer is delta Q is equal to 41.8 joule. Then this is the wrong answer, and let me choose the other color pen so that I can make it wrong. This is wrong answer. So what is the right approach? So to solve this question, we need to bring all the units in one form of unit. Either we can, for example, if this temperature is in degree Celsius, the specific heat capacity also has degree Celsius. Mass is in kg, but the unit of mass which is involved in specific heat capacity, that is in gram. So this is difference between the mass unit and the specific heat capacities unit. So what we can do is, either we can write this mass into gram, or we can write the specific heat capacity in the form of joule per kg degree Celsius. So it's easier to write this mass of 1 kg into gram. So I can write mass m is equal to 1 kg, which is equal to 1000 gram. Now I can use the formula which we have written earlier. Delta Q is equal to ms delta T, and you know S is specific heat capacity and M is mass. So delta Q is equal to 1000. Now mass is in gram, and specific heat capacity 4.18 as it is, and the change in temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. So now we are going to get how much? 41,000 and 41,800 joule. Now you can use the calculator. My calculation may be wrong, but I hope it's right. So this is the energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of substance by 10 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat capacity is 4.18 joule. In next video we will solve some other question related to this topic. See you in the next video.